Let me show you how to create dynamic KPI summaries that combine text and number while keeping your formatting intact by using the concatenate and text functions in Excel. If you simply concatenate your column heading with the total, you will notice that I lose my number formatting. My number no longer has the $ or comma. To fix this, first select the number you want to match. Then go to Number Format, More Number Format. Copy the custom format code. Next, go back to your concatenate formula and add the text function before the ampersand. The text function lets you convert a number into formatted text using the custom format you specify. Now you have a dynamic, properly formatted KPI summary you can copy straight into your dashboards. When copying the formula to my profit margin though, notice the formatting is wrong. To fix that, grab the custom percentage format and replace it in your text formula. Do the same for unit-based numbers. Copy their number format and apply it in the formula. Then carefully copy these adjusted formulas wherever they apply to finish setting up your summary KPI sections. Thanks so much for watching.